Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer projects using ClickUp, full guide step by step clearly. Open ClickUp and log into your account. Navigate to the workspace that contains the projects you want to transfer. Find the project you wish to transfer in the sidebar. Click on the project to open its details. Select the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. Choose the copy option from the drop-down menu. Select the workspace where you want to transfer the project. You can choose to copy the project structure only or include tasks, comments, and attachments. If you want to include everything, ensure all boxes are checked. Click on the Copy Project button to initiate the transfer. Wait for the confirmation message indicating the project has been copied. Now, navigate to the target workspace. Locate the newly copied project in the sidebar. Open the project to check if all elements have transferred successfully. Review the tasks, comments, and attachments to ensure everything is in order. If any adjustments are needed, make the changes directly within the new project. Once satisfied, you've successfully transferred your project using ClickUp. Consider repeating the steps for any additional projects that need transferring. Always ensure to keep your original projects intact until the transfer is confirmed successful. This method streamlines your workflow and keeps your projects organized across different workspaces. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.